Hey there, family. Thank you so much for clicking my video. And in today's video, I am back again with another wig show and tell. And this wig is brought to you by the brand Outre. If you're interested in this wig, I will be sure to leave in the description box a link where you can purchase it from. The wig that I have today for today's wig show and tell is Outre Melted Hairline HD Synthetic Lace Front Wig in the style Kalani, and I have it in the color number 2. This wig is available in 10 colors. Here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. The parting space comes on the right. It is 5 inches deep. You get about 1.5 inches of lace in the front. Behind the lace, there are 2 combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They inserted a stretch fit elastic band, and this wig was also made on a stretch fit breathable material. This is how the color number 2 looks straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes. You get baby hairs on the hairline comes pre-plucked, and the parting space comes pre-plucked as well. They did a really good job pre-plucking the hairline, but I would like to go in and customize the hairline a little bit more to my liking. So first, I'm going to start with plucking out some of the baby hairs. I am not going to use all the baby hairs. I'm going to leave some of the baby hairs out that's by the temple, and I'm plucking the baby hairs that's by the forehead and on the right side between the temple and the ear tab. After that, I go in with my Annis hot comb. The temperature setting that I have it on is number 10, and I'm just smoothing out the hairline and the parting space. Plucking this wig was very easy. After I smoothed out the hairline, it helped me see how much hair Outre plucked. So then I hold down the hair and I'm just going in and I'm plucking everything straight back in random sections. I'm plucking the parts that's really dense in the hairline that could use some thinning, like a nice jagged effect. So I'm just plucking until I see a hairline coming through. Like I said before, Outre did a really nice job pre-plucking the hairline, so it was easy for me to go in and just touch it up to my liking. I do the same thing on the sides. I hold the hair back and just keep plucking in random sections backwards until I see a hairline coming through. After I'm all done, I go in with my zigzag scissors. If you're interested in these zigzag scissors, I left the link to it in my description box. And I just take my time and cut right along the hairline. Okay, now it's time for the wig install. I already went ahead and applied some makeup powder underneath to the lace. I use that as a lace tint. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps. And underneath the wig, I am going to go in with a brown stocking cap. The lace is looking good with just makeup powder, so I don't have to go in with any foundation. Yay. Next, I'm going to go in with this olive oil super hold spray. And I'm going to spray one layer of this down from my ear tab up to my temple just to hold the lace down right over there. The lace is looking really good on my forehead, so I feel like there's no need for me to spray down the forehead. Okay, so far so good. Next up, I'm going to style my angel wings, and I'm going to cut down the angel wings to my liking. Then after that, I'm going to go in with some gel, and the gel that I'm using is the Echo Styling Gel. A lot of y'all know I like to use my Yellow Got to Be glue gel, but for some reason I cannot find it. It's like it just got up and walked away. So this gel is gonna have to do. This gel isn't bad, but I don't recommend it if you're a person that sweat a lot on their forehead. And it just gives the baby hairs a soft hold. It doesn't really hold the baby hairs in place for too long. So if you was to use this gel, I recommend going over it with a little bit of that Yellow Got to Be glue gel. Next up, I'm gonna take this LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to apply some of this in my parting space. This just helped my parting space look a little bit more like scalp. It also helped hide the knots and grids on the lace, and on the hairline of the lace I'm going to lightly tap it with some powder, and this just helped hide the knots and grids on the lace of the hairline as well. The curls come really nice on this wig, so right here I am just finger combing it and playing with the curls until I get my desired end results. Okay, right here is my end results on Outre Melted Hairline HD Lace Front Wig in the style Kalani Color 2. And y'all, this is giving me Michelle Obama. This is gorgeous. I honestly didn't even know it was going to be this gorgeous. I just took a chance and tried it out, and it was honestly worth the try. Look at it. Look at it. It looked like it's coming from my scalp. Wow. And then the hair texture, it has a very light yaki texture to it. You can kind of see it in the light. So it definitely looked like it's my natural hair blown out. The wig is very comfortable. That pre-attached elastic band on the inside really helped add a secure fit. The length of this wig, I would say, is about 12 inches on me, and my height is 5'6". The hair density is like a low to medium hair density. It's really nice, especially for every day. I love the fact that the wig pretty much already comes pre-styled. Usually synthetic wigs do that. The only thing I had to do was touch up the hairline, pluck it a little bit more to my liking, pluck out some of the baby hairs, and bada boom, bada bang, I was done. I am very impressed with the layering and the curls. It got me feeling myself 100%. And the parting space is on the right side. For those of you that know, I love me a right parting space. Left side is cool too, middle part is cool, but for me, if I had to pick a side part, right is my thing. The lace is definitely high definition. Like, I don't know what lace they using, but continue using this lace. And all it took was some makeup powder to get it to blend. I didn't even have to go in with foundation. The parting space comes nicely pre-plucked. It is 5 inches deep. Outre did such a nice job constructing this wig that you would have thought I have a frontal on. And I don't got no frontal. I love it. Love it so much I had to bust a little dance real quick while listening to my music because, man, I am feeling it. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly and small head friendly. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later.